my name is Ethan.
And my name is Athena.
And today we will be doing an experiment called soap souffle.
So we need 2 types of soap bars.
An ivory soap bar.
And a knife.
Which is optional.
And a plate and scissors.
And a jug of water.
Yeah.
So what we need to do first is, as you can see, we have 2 types of soap bars and an ivory soap bar.
Yeah.
So, if we put it in the soap bar, and we put this one in, as you see, it sinks.
How about the ivory one? Let's try the ivory one.
3, 2, 1.
It floats.
Do you know why? Probably no.
I got wet.
It's because the ivory soap bar has tiny, tiny bubbles inside it that make it float.
Yeah.
If we put it into the water, a microwave, it could form into something cool. So let's try. Well, you could, for the knife, you could also use it to cut this ivory soap bar. We cut the ivory soap bar. We have 2 soap bars. So we have 2 halves of the ivory soap bar. Put it on a plate and put it into the microwave.
But I'm going to keep on chopping it.
How many minutes we need to put into the microwave?
About 80 seconds.
80 seconds.
Yes. You'll also chop it into many pieces if you want.
Yeah.
Sometimes you will make it to this small, or you can make it this. Let's put it in.
Whee! How about this soap bar? Whee! Now what do we do with these soap bars? Look at me.
Whoa.
My soap bar. It's growing.
Oh my, that's amazing.
Yeah, it's growing. It's so amazing. How's it growing?
Because, as you can see,
The bubbles.
the microwave is so hot that it's melting the bubbles, which makes it to expand. As you can see, we microwave the soap. And look.
And it looks like marshmallows.
Yes.
That's melted.
Look at this.
Look. It smells
all
so
powdery.
weird.
Because of all the powder inside the ivory soap.
And it also smells very weird.
Yes. This is a really fun science experiment. Thank you. Bye.
Whee!